Welcome to 110 Bahia Via, a beautiful 4-unit complex located on the south end of Fort Myers Beach. I'm Melissa with TriPower Vacation Rentals. Today I'm so excited to show you this fabulous unit that you can either rent as one separate unit, part of 4, or you can rent the entire complex that gets you 4 units. 2 on the top have 2 bedrooms, 2 on the bottom have 1 bedroom. Enjoy the tour. I'm just going to kick back over here and enjoy the sunshine for a little bit, and I will see you on the other side. Well, what did you think? 110 Bahia Via, this beautiful 4-unit complex you can actually rent individually, or you can rent the entire place for you and your family to enjoy on your next beach vacation. Thank you so much for coming along on this tour. Just a reminder, this is a pet-friendly complex, so you can bring your sweet little puppy along on your next beach vacation. If you would like to see more on this beautiful place or any other place that TriPower Vacation Rentals has to offer, visit us at TriPowerVacationRentals.com. And if you'd like to stay here just a little bit longer than just a week or 2 a year, as that happens very frequently, visit C21TriPower.com for all of our incredible real estate listings on and around Fort Myers Beach. As you can see, this beautiful place has a balcony and a patio view in the back, along the pool and the back canal, and also along the front. As always, we thank you so much for following us on Facebook, on Instagram, and of course on our YouTube channel. That is the first place that you're going to see all of our great, beautiful listings that we have to offer you for your next beach vacation. Thank you so much as always. Enjoy. We can't wait to welcome you back to Fort Myers Beach very soon.